Did you know that neurological disorders are the leading cause of disability worldwide? Nerve damage related issues remain a very high concern for our health. Around 55 million people in the world have dementia. This condition affects your memory, thinking, and social abilities. In today's video, we will discuss 3 essential vitamins that help prevent nerve damage and boost better neurological health. We start with B vitamins. Studies have shown that deficiency in B vitamins, such as vitamin B1, B6, and vitamin B12, can contribute to nerve damage. Vitamin B1 fuels your nerve cells by playing a crucial role as a coenzyme in energy metabolism. Research suggests that if there is energy deprivation in your nerve cells, this may bring on their degeneration. This could lead to a severe decline in nervous function and result in nerve damage over a period of time. Neurons are the important units of the brain, including your memory and social skills. Your brain has many cognitive uses, yet the space it takes up is only 2% of our body mass. It does, however, need 20% of our body's energy consumption. Such is the energy required. It is important for your neurons, as when you have less energy supply, you will have issues with your nerve function. Studies have shown that one of the most common neurological disorders is Alzheimer's. It's thought it is triggered by a lack of thiamine, or also called B1. It's vital we keep the vitamin B1 levels in order. Glutamic acid is one of the most abundant excitatory neurotransmitters in our brain. This excessive glutamate activity has been associated with the onset of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's, Huntington, and Parkinson's diseases. Vitamin B is also known to possibly play a role in regulating glutamate activity in the brain by balancing its levels, along with having neuroprotective properties. This is responsible for facilitating the amino acid metabolism that involves production and breakdown, along with the use of amino acids to make hormones and enzymes. This B6 vitamin aids in slowing down certain signals in your central nervous system. This in turn helps to declutter your mind, while at the same time it has a calming effect in busy situations where you feel less stressed, anxiety and fear. Another vital hormone is serotonin, which controls sleep, digestion, mood, bone health, blood clotting and sexual desire. Vitamin B12 is involved in the metabolism in almost every cell of your body. It is also a protective membrane of fats and lipids that wraps around nerve cells. This fatty protein acts as a protective coating for your nerve cells, while allowing electrical impulses to travel quickly and efficiently from one corner of your body to another. Research has shown that vitamin B12 can possibly help regenerate nerve cells and treat sciatic nerve injury. The sciatic nerve is the largest in the human body, made by the union of 5 nerve roots. The sciatic nerve extends from the lower back and buttocks down to the heel and sole of the foot and travels through the back of the thigh. To improve your intake of B vitamins, start by eating a balanced diet that includes lean proteins such as beef, chicken, sardines and clams. If you don't like meat, no problem. You can include green leafy veggies like broccoli and spinach, fruits and fortified grains like bread and pasta. Some foods that are particularly rich in vitamin B are eggs, nuts, seeds and legumes are also rich in vitamin B. You may also look at taking a vitamin B complex supplement if your diet is lacking. Next up is vitamin D for nerve protection. Vitamin D is easily an essential nutrient that aids brain function and helps protect you from nerve damage. Taking in the sunshine is a great way to reap vitamin D benefits. Studies have found there is a close relationship between cognitive impairment and vitamin D deficiency. People who have low vitamin D levels are at an increased risk of developing dementia. Vitamin D's most active proportion is vitamin D3, which has neuroprotective pluses and is also known to be effective in Alzheimer's. Those with Alzheimer's have a significant growth of protein clumps. These abnormal buildups disrupt the brain's normal functioning by way of acting as a barrier between nerve cells. They also block communication links in the nervous system, which makes it difficult for the neurons to pass this vital information from one to another. This could then create gaps in memory and thinking capabilities, which can disrupt everyday activities. Vitamin D3 could potentially inhibit the growth of these amyloid plaques, but it's not the entire cure for this condition. The best way of getting enough vitamin D is to get more exposure to sunlight. Be mindful to wear sunscreen and hats to avoid any sunburn. An ideal walk of 10 to 30 minutes 3 times a week is helpful. You can also get vitamin D from red meat, liver, egg yolks, and seafood like sardines and salmon. If these foods don't appeal to you, try a vitamin D supplement. Next up, we have vitamin E. As we age, your brain will face oxidative stress. While we cannot stop aging, you can help prevent oxidative stress by including powerful antioxidants in your diet, such as vitamin E. Vitamin E is well known for scavenging free radicals and reducing oxidative stress throughout your body. These free radicals contain an unpaired electron, which makes them reactive. High levels of free radicals cause oxidative stress in different parts of your body, including the brain. This will lead to the degeneration of neurons while also causing harm to the central nervous system. To help these neurons, vitamin E has strong antioxidants that neutralise these effects. There is growing evidence of vitamin E's role in helping cognitive function, preventing and delaying our cognitive decrease that's brought on by ageing, which in turn may help with people with Alzheimer's and dementia. These disorders often have neurological damage, which creates roadblocks. Getting more vitamin E helps in giving our bodies much needed nutrients. Research suggests the best way to delay the onset of Alzheimer's disorder by 1 year can minimise this condition by 25%. There is no treatment to reverse Alzheimer's. However, delaying it with help from nutritional and related supplements appears to be a viable option. Studies show that by getting enough vitamin E and B complex, this is an excellent way to help prevent neurological issues. Foods rich in vitamin include peanuts, almonds, red pepper, spinach, pumpkin, kiwi and sunflower seeds. You can also take a vitamin E supplement. Eating healthy with the above foods are a great start and you'll reap the benefits. If you find your diet is lacking, you always have the option of taking supplements to ensure your body gets all the nutrition it needs. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'd love your feedback as well. Until next time, here's to good health.